Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarilla, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now let's get into the investigations part of ringworm or tinea. Usually through physical examination, by viewing and also by examining the whole body of the person, we will be able to finalize what kind of tinea it is. But in certain cases, we need certain investigations. That is primary thing, skin scraping. So what is skin scraping? As you can see in the picture, the doctor will scrape off the outer part of this infection and then they are viewed under the microscope to see if it is tinea or not. What are the other investigations needed? If in case they are not able to diagnose, a hair sample can be taken if it is affecting the scalp, a nail sample can be taken if it is affecting the nails, a skin sample can be taken and cultured if it is affecting the body area, and in certain cases, but very rarely, we need a skin biopsy. Coming to the consultation part, if you are suffering from tinea and you are looking for cure and you want to contact us, here at Fidicus Homeopathy, we are offering you with two different types of consultations. One is online consultation, the other one is offline consultation. If you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and visit us in person and take doctor consultation. But if you are staying far away from us, you can connect us either through audio online call or through video online call. There are two facilities in online consultations. After doctor consultation, if you are having any sort of investigations, you can share it with us, and if you need further investigations, we will let you know. After this process, the medicines will be delivered directly to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you're seeing this channel and if you're suffering from tinea or any other skin diseases and you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, you can message us or you can WhatsApp us on this number. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're suffering from tinea or if you're suffering from any other skin diseases and you're looking for a proper cure, why should you opt for Fidicus Homeopathy? Because here at Fidicus, it stands for highest chance of health. Here we follow three things. One is already the highest success rate we are seeing in the skin diseases sector, that is Fidicus skin, and also in this ringworm cases. The treatment we give here is transparent, that is we discuss with the patient what is the prognosis of the case, what is the status of the case, and also the personal care we give here at Fidicus is top notch. Any sort of queries that you have, myths that you have, we will educate you on that. If you are looking for proper cure, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.